Hey, what's up everyone, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix this coil. Starting coil at Lawnmore, it came off, how you can put it back easy and really safe. To fix this coil you need a couple things. You need a gloves, safety glasses, and might be needle nose plier to just fix the hook. Because this wire has too much tension on it, so it comes back. If it just in case it came off, it's gonna be really spring tension can poke your eyes or your hand. You be careful. Now, as we know, this piece has a wire inside and it goes on the top. So we are not going to start here. We are going to start from here. And what we have to do, we have to start from here. At this time, I wish I have a forehand. But anyway, we'll make it. So now I have a couple rounds. So now it's going really easy because each round holding the second round. Not easy, just a tricky. First thing, if you try to open that one, you have to be very careful because I was not know about it, and I spent almost an hour earlier to figure it out. Now we have a coil over here. We're just going to simply put on this one. Now we put this one back. We're going to put this screw back. And that's the way you're gonna grab that starting kicker, put it back, and you can put it in the same manner. You take it off. Maybe that's enough. I'm gonna put this rope back. It's a little bit tricky. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring this rope over here. So we should do this one before we put this one on. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hold it with something here. So I'm using this, my screwdriver here, so it doesn't spin back. Let's see. Almost. want to grab it from here. Okay, now I'm ready. This one, you can give it one more turn. So really strong tension. And now put it through here. Okay. Gonna pull this one out. Make a 1 or 2 knot over here, so it doesn't come off. Pull back. I'm gonna put this one back over here and let it go slowly. So this whole rope need to be go back. If it doesn't go, probably we have to give a couple more turn. Okay, so you got that much. Now you can tell it's working. If we have to, we can give a couple more turn and put it back again. So here, I will use same technique and remove this knot. I will give 2 more turn. So I have a really strong tension. Okay, that will be enough. Same thing. This one, we are going to give a 1 or 2 knot over here. Now we're gonna let it go slowly. Here we go. Now we will put it back over here and test. So now I'm ready to put this one back, and I put this tab, I put screw back on. Just make sure when you're spinning this one on, these things need to be come on. If they stays in, then it's not going to grab your motor. So these things to grab your motor. So if you spin like that, they're going to come off. When you're going to spin back, they're going to go in. So now we're going to put it back and put all the screw, then we will test. Now that's simply going to go back here. We put all the screws back and we will test. I'm going to put only 2 screws and we will test, then we pull the rest. Actually there's only 3. So here we go, our starting coil is back and everything worked perfect. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.